dad had a nasty fall.
It's new dawn. It's a new day. It's day 3. We just ate. I had a terrible night's sleep. I think I saw every hour of the day, of the night even. But I'm awake. I took a shower, which was also kind of terrible. So if you haven't seen the last 2 episodes, be sure to watch them. They're pretty eventful. In total, we dropped the bikes 10 times so far. But today, I got a good feeling. We're not gonna drop the bikes a single time, I know it.
Half hour into our ride, we fall.
I'm pretty glad though, because by falling, I can see the accessories doing their work. Like the handlebars, they protected, of course, the levers. My crash bars are amazing. My dad's crash bars folded a little bit, like inwards. So that's a bit unfortunate. Mine were, you know, in the same place still, after dropping it 5 times. I think every time on the same side actually. I think we're more than halfway on our way to Switzerland. So maybe today, or if not today, tomorrow we're gonna make Switzerland, I think. If not, no problem. But yeah, that's pretty much our goal, if you would say so. But it's not really a destination or something. It's just something we are riding towards. So yeah, if you want to get there, I need to stop talking and clean up my tent, pack up, and we have to leave. So yes, see you on the road. First track of the day. It's a gravel road, big rocks, no mud, so I'm happy. It's good to end up being muddy, so maybe I spoke to technical little road track. Got an uphill climb here. Let's do it. Second gear. Big rocks. My handlebars are going crazy. That happened. Muddy conditions, not fun. Every time we see shade, we just know there's gonna be mud. When the sun it dries out, then first fall of the day. This is some big ruts. Yeah, I can feel it already. Okay, I said we weren't going to fall. Half hour into our ride, we fall. You wanna see them? Three, 2, 1. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
There you go.
Something's gone here.
And the top. Okay. Maybe go forward and we check if we can find it. I found the little piece that was just on the ground, very easy. Just snap back on. Openness. Just wide openness, I love it. But the ruts I like less. Alright, time for a break. It's been a great day so far, just one fall. We decided against the cheap stuff for eating. We saw this burger stand next to the road, got a bit hungry, so can have a nice burger. Nice weather again, we're very lucky with that. My dad had a nasty fall with the exhaust on his leg. Are you okay?
It was not exhausted, just the bike.
It was the exhaust. This was on you.
Oh, okay. Always wear protective gear.
Yes, definitely while you're riding off-road. Was it on your boot or on your leg?
My boot.
Okay. I had to lift the bike off him, and now we're gonna lift the bike in the upwards position again. Ja, ik heb hem. Ja, lukt hem er wel uit. This close. This is a military airplane and it's doing like exercises, it seems. Going really flat. It's like an AC-130 if you know what that is. Hey! Mud. After a section like that with all that mud, you instantly feel you need some water or some rest. Okay, but we got through it without falling, so good news, we're improving. We're at the campsite. It's been a wonderful day, best day in my opinion. A lot of technical hill climbs, which is great, which is the best. It's what we came here for. We chose a lovely campsite. There are literally no people, maybe one or two, and for the rest there is just nobody on the campsite, you know, just all empty spots. And we have the sun setting behind us. It's a wide open field. Just made dinner. I have these bags, adventure bags that I buy at Ace Adventure. It's dried food, and when you put some water in the bag and you wait a second, you just get a perfect meal. My dad's laughing.
It's an emergency meal.
It's an emergency meal, but it's very tasty. The day is done, and yes, it was a successful day. I think we really improved, or at least I did. My dad only dropped it twice, which is also an improvement. What is your excuse for dropping it?
the first time, it was a rut, but I didn't saw it. The grass was too long, so I didn't know that I was in a rut.
Yes.
So yeah, I went to change direction and I was in the rut. And yeah.
Yes. You did not anticipate it.
Nope. And the second time, I don't even know. Probably a bit of mud.
Just
No idea what happened.
drop. Sudden drop.
And my leg was under the motorcycle.
Yes. Do you still have some pains, some aches?
No.
No?
My boots saved my leg.
I thought you were going to say save my ass.
No, you saved my ass.
Something we want to say about the Tenere 700 Rally Edition. We just did an accessory video review and we said the Yamaha crash bars that my dad opted for those, but now that the bike has dropped on each side, they both folded inwards, so it's actually crap. Of course it did its job, it protected the frame and the plastic and all that. That's not really something I would recommend. So we almost made it to the border with Switzerland. We did a lot of distance actually today in comparison to yesterday and the day before, because it was a lot of asphalt today, and the bits that were off-road were great. It was gravel roads, very long until the horizon roads, very technical hill climbs and descents, and not a lot of mud. So yeah, today was a very good day. Good job, TET. So tomorrow the plan is take the highway from the border with Switzerland all the way home. It should take us about 6 hours from there. So that alone is going to be a good day of riding. It's going to be fine. CBX can do it. CBX can do anything. So Dad, anything to add?
Well, it was the first time that I took the Tenere for such an extended part of road. And as I said before, it's top heavy. I'm of course also not the most experienced off-road rider, so that's also a point, of course. Still, I'm very happy with it. It has enough power, that's the main thing. It's very pleasant off-road. If you drive in third gear, uphill, it pulls, it keeps pulling. Very slow speeds in third gear or higher speeds, almost everything can go in third gear. So that's a very flexible engine.
Glad you're happy with the bike, but mine is better. My dad actually suggested a new kind of outro. It goes like this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay light.
Keep it light. Remember.
Keep it light and stay bright.
Keep it light and bright.
Keep it light and bright. Okay. So yes. Bye bye.